have a head. I'm at coding class. You should see this. Yes. No! Whoa! I got married. Oh my gosh.
It's a brain!
What? It's Michael Jackson! You ready? Okay. This is my best friend. Still right out there. Hi, don't punch me. Don't punch me. I'm a good girl. Oh my gosh, there's a car coming. Oh no. I'm scared. I'm really scared. I don't know. No, it's not my grandma. Her car is pretty. Oh, Mrs. Carter. Oh no. I mean, it looks like something. It looks like it's a car. It's just, oh, hi, oh, I know, wow. Okay, that's kind of annoying. Thank you for getting this far in the video. I love you. If you watch to like the end, if you thought that was annoying, like this video, seriously. I don't know. What I'm talking about, I'm not annoying. And when I come to town, I am so annoying.
Thank you.
My best friend. Hello. Na. Up in the face. Oh. I sneak up on her little tiny cat.
See if you have a white shirt and then text me.
Oh, it's a tiny cat. Wow.
Okay.
It's a kitty cat.
Why you?
Hey, what?
See if you have a white shirt.
It's not
with the collar.
It's not. No. Go to Walmart.
I had no money.
I'm sorry. I love you. What a real eye or a fake eye. Comment if this is a real eye or a fake eye. Never know. So you don't know why that came from. What? Okay, enjoy this beautiful picture of the forest.